Hello students, welcome to school. Students, today we're going to see the syllabus for the session. Okay, so this is standard 1 decoding computer science classes. So here you see for this term exam or for this unit test, the chapter 4 and chapter 5 of standard 1 decoding computer science book, that is using of keyboard and using of a mouse, are the important topics. Okay, so first of all we see the using of a keyboard chapter, that is chapter number 4. We already learn some keys or about some uses of keys in that previous video. Okay, so in that video we are going to revise them and learn more. Okay, so here you see this one is a keyboard. Okay, and here you clearly see the keyboard with the special keys and the number keys and the alphabet keys. Okay, so keys on the keyboard, there are 4 types of keys. Let us learn the function of various keys, students. So first of all, alphabet key. So whenever we go about a keyboard, you always have to remember that there were 104 or 104 keys on a keyboard. Okay, a keyboard is consist of 104 keys. Then if you talk about the alphabet key, then the keys have letters, the alphabet, or whatever we write in the computer screen with the help of letters is due to the alphabet key. These keys have letters on the alphabet, that is A to Z, written on them. We can type poems, stories using these keys, and look at the keyboard shown below with the alphabet key. Here you see these are the alphabet keys. Okay, so in the keyboard, this part, which one I highlighted, alphabet key. Okay, then here you see this one is the keyboard and this is the alphabet key. Okay, and if we talk about the number keys, these are the number keys, and you may see here this is 2 types, that is on the top of the alphabet keys there are one number key, and the other on the right side of the keyboard there was another number key. So these are help us to type numbers. Okay, students, you may see here this one is a keyboard and this one are the, and this one and this one also are alphabet key. Okay, sorry, number keys. Okay, here you see these two are the number keys. And if we talk about the special key, you may see here the red boxes are denoted the special keys. Okay, so if we learn about special key, you may see special keys are the space bar, caps lock, enter and delete, backspace, etc. These keys help us with special function. So let us learn about them. So first of all we see what is the function of arrow key first, then after that we go through the function keys, and after that special keys. Okay students, so first of all you see these are the arrow keys. Okay, so they are marked with arrows, they left, right, up and down. So here you see this one is the cursor key which help us to go up, and this one help us to go left, and this one help us to go right, and this one help us to go down. Okay, then Whenever we talk about the function key, you may see here these are the function key, that is F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, F11, F12, etc. So keys with F1, F2, F3 till F12 marked on them are called function keys. We can do special jobs on the computer using them. Okay. Then special keys, space bar, caps lock, we already say about that. Okay, so now we are going to learn more about space lock keys and enter key, delete key, backspace key. Okay, so let's see. So first of all, the enter key, this is the most important key on the keyboard. While typing, it is used to move to the next line. Okay, whenever you type a data, okay, and you are now here, and if you want to go the next line, then just type or then just click on the enter key. Okay, so this command help us to move to the next line. The enter key is at two places on the keyboard, that is, you may see here this one is a enter key and this one also a enter key. Okay, so this one is first and this one is second enter key, so you may take help both of them. Okay, whenever you go to the first line to second line or go to the next line. Okay, so do you know, student, cursor is the blinking line that you can see on the monitor. It tells you the position of the type text. Okay, then space bar, this is the longest key on the keyboard. You may see here this one is the space bar and this one is the longest key on the keyboard. When we type on the computer, it is used to keep blank spaces between letters or words. Okay, then if we talk about more on spacebar key, the spacebar key is used to insert space between letters, words, numbers, or between sentences. It is the longest key of the keyboard. So this is the revision for spacebar key. And enter, we already learned about enter key. Enter key is used to move to the next line. There are two enter keys on the keyboard. Okay, then the cursor keys, there are four arrow keys or the four keyboard. These are used to move cross up, cursor down, cursor left, and cursor right. Okay, this one for up, this one for left, this one for right, and this one for down. Okay, so caps lock key, so we use the caps lock key to type letters. Okay, so with the help of caps lock key we type letters. So you may see here this one is with what, this one is with lowercase. Okay, and this one is with starting with capital A and then small d and I, then T and Y. This one you see, this one here is with the sentence case. Okay, here you have to first push the caps lock key and type A, then after that you again put the caps lock key or click the caps lock key, then after that you just have to type DITYA, then automatically these are in small letters. Okay, so here you see how to put the computer or the how to put the sentence in a sentence case and uppercase and lowercase. Okay, uppercase means capital letters. Okay, and lowercase means small letter. Okay, And sentence case means first letter is starting with capital, then after that as usually the small letters. Okay, so this is the three type of case whatever we shown on the computer or use the computer. Okay, so then the backspace key, when we write something wrong on the computer, we can rub it out with an eraser. We can make mistakes while typing on the computer as well. We use the backspace key to erase such mistakes. So whenever you make a mistake, whenever you typing, then just click on the backspace key and automatically the sentence whatever you write here or the word whatever you write here is wrong is deleted. Okay, so this one is used to uh, just just delete the previous section or previous word whatever you write. Okay, then the backspace key erase the letters or number to the left of the cursor. Yes, this one I want to talk. So the backspace key only erase the letters or the numbers to the left of the cursor. Okay, then the delete key also works as an eraser. It erases the letters or numbers to the right of the cursor. Okay, so this one it just look like this type of key. Okay, you may see here this one is the delete key. Then caps lock key, the caps lock key lies on the left hand side of the keyboard. When we need to type in capital letter, we just use this key, that is caps lock. I already say about this. So if you want to type computer, so first of all you have to just press the caps lock key on and type C. Then the first letter of computer C is in capital. Then after that you just have to press the caps lock key again and the caps lock key is turned off. Now type the cursor other letters, the word computer. Then as usually you may see here, just like this computer, the first word is capital, then after that all other letters are in small. Okay, so here you see this one is delete key, and delete key is used to erase any type of text on the right side of the cursor. Then backspace key is also used to erase any text but on the left side of the cursor. Okay, so we complete this chapter, students. You have to do the assessment sheet with your own. Thank you. See you in next class.